Two last things to do here real quick this afternoon. While we're on the subject of tomorrow and what will happen, in addition to the choice sections that'll be really important to engage in, there will also be 2 feedback sessions, and I just can't encourage you strongly enough as you're wrapping up tomorrow and thinking about what else you need. Thank you. To be thinking about how you want to engage in those feedback sessions to really form what's going to happen after this event. So I'm up here, so we must be doing another poll. And I see many of you have already started on the screen, so thank you very much for that. If you haven't, each one of your tables has this green piece of paper, which has the same link we've been using, so it should be easy for you to find on your devices. I'll give you just a few seconds to locate it on your device and get to a place where you can respond. And in about 10 seconds, we're going to move to the next question. We have a few more this afternoon than we've had in the days before, so hang in there with me. But it is really very, very important for us to hear from everyone. One more opportunity to get familiar with those devices. So yesterday we had a total of nearly 80 responses. Let's see if we can beat that. If you're having any trouble, don't hesitate to raise your hand. Oops. Hey, Kelly, can you get tech help so we can get a couple people to get help? We need some. All right, we're going to move on in 10 seconds. And that would be 3, 2, 1. And I see a hand up in the back of the room. Sarah? Great. All right, let's go to question number 2 this afternoon. Plenty of folks in the room to help if you're having trouble getting on. Don't hesitate to raise your hand. Oh. And we'll move on in 5, 3, 2, 1. Here's the third question. Ready to move on one more time? Question number 4, please take a look. About 5 more seconds. And the next question. Heading into the home stretch here with just another couple of questions. Wow, we're getting better. Those answers are coming up a lot faster. Good job. And we'll move on in 5, 3, 2, 1. And we'll move on again in 5, 3, 2, 1. Oops. All right, and we'll leave this in 3, 2, 1. Great. And we'll move on. And just 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. This is the last question before we have two open-ended questions. Almost there. 5 more seconds. Oh, sorry, this is indeed the last one before our two last questions. Open-ended questions. Great, and we'll stop this in 3, 2, 1. Thanks for hanging in there. These are the last two questions. They are open-ended questions, so we'll give you just about 15 seconds or so, but really important to help us know what else would be helpful in the implementation of advisory. You can write as much or as little here as you like. All right, and we'll close this out in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good one to end on. And then one final question, if there's anything else that you need us to know to make this a great experience for you tomorrow. All right, we'll give you just a few more seconds. Okay, I'm feeling the pressure because the get out on time comment. Okay, message received. We'll stop. Please put in any final remarks in just 5 seconds, and we'll close that out for the day. Thank you. All right, we have two very quick reminders for you. Just as we did yesterday, we have a ticket to leave that we'd like to ask you to complete. So everyone has an index card. On that index card, if you remember, we had the pleasure of hearing Eve Bolton speak to us yesterday. And when she spoke to us, seems like a long time ago at this moment, I have to say, but that was just yesterday morning. And when she spoke to us, she called everyone in this room a dragon slayer. So what we'd love to invite you to do is on your card for your ticket to leave today is to write one word about how you're feeling. Are you a dragon slayer, or is there another superhero that you're feeling more akin to? Just write that one word answer as you're leaving. We'll grab it as you go.